Yo, what's up future engineers? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. Okay, let's talk about more properties of circles. After expanding the standard equation given by x minus 3 over 2, open and close parenthesis, raised to 2, plus y minus 3, open and close parenthesis, raised to 2, is equivalent to 29 over 4. Can be written as x squared plus y squared minus 3x minus 6y plus 4 is equivalent to 0. This is an equation of the circle in general form. If the equation of a circle is given in general form, ax squared plus ay squared plus cx plus dy plus e is equivalent to 0, where a is not equal to 0, or x squared plus y squared plus cx plus dy plus e is equivalent to 0. We can determine the standard form by completing the square in both variables. Let us see the example. Let's say we have x minus 3 over 2 open and close parenthesis raised to 2 plus y minus 3 open and close parenthesis raised to 2 is equivalent to 29 over 4. Let's expand them separately. We have x minus 3 over 2, open and close parenthesis, raised to 2. Let x be our first term. Let negative 3 over 2 our second term. First, square the first term, which is x squared. Then, square the second term, which is negative 3 over 2, that is positive 9 over 4. Then, don't forget the middle. We have negative 3 over 2, multiply by x, multiply by 2, which is the exponent. That result of x squared minus 3x plus 9 over 4. Then we have y minus 3, open and close parenthesis, raised to 2. Square the first term, which is the y squared. Square the second term, which is the negative 3, to result to positive 9. Then, don't forget the middle. Negative 3, multiply by y, multiply by 2. That result of negative 6y. So the binomial expansion is y squared minus 6y plus 9. After expanding, combine them. We have x squared minus 3x plus 9 over 4 plus y squared minus 6y plus 9 is equivalent to 29 over 4. Then, let us arrange them according to their degree. We have x squared plus y squared minus 3x minus 6y. Then, dito sa kabilang side, lahat ng constant. We have 29 over 4 minus 9 over 4 minus 9. If you will notice, we have 29 over 4 and 9 over 4. They have the same denominator. Kaya ang gagawin natin sa kanila, pag ma-minusin lang natin yung kanilang numerator, which is 29 minus 9. So we have 20 over 4. And 20 over 4, we can divide it to 5. So that will result of x squared plus y squared minus 3x minus 6y is equivalent to negative 4. Then yung negative 4, ang gagawin natin, itatranspose natin siya papunta sa kabila. So we have x squared plus y squared minus 3x minus 6y plus 4 is equivalent to 0. Then, this is our general equations of a circle. More properties of circles. Completing the square in an expression like x squared plus 14x means determining the term to be added that will produce a perfect polynomial square. So we have x squared plus 14x. Yung 14 na nasa gitna, yan. Kukunin natin yan. I-divide natin by 2, which is 7. Yung 7 i-squared natin. So may 49. Ngayon, yung 49, i-add natin yan sa equation. That will result of x squared plus 14x plus 49. So ito magiging perfect square na siya. Pag pinactor natin, it is x plus 7, open and close parenthesis, raised to 2. Then, another. To complete the square in, say we have 3x squared plus 18x. We factored the coefficient of x squared from the expression. Nilabas natin yung 3. So we have open and close parenthesis, x squared plus 6x. Then, yung 6 iso-sort out natin. I-divide natin by 2. Then, pag dinivide natin by 2, i-squared natin. So, 6 divide 2 is 3. Then, squared natin yung 3, meron tayong 9. Kaya, then add 9 inside. Okay? For example, identify the center and the radius of the circle with the given equation in each item. Sketch its graph and indicate the center. So we have x squared plus y squared minus 6x is equivalent to 7. And ito yung mga hinahanap natin, the center and the radius of the circle. First thing I did, ginroup ko yung variable ng x. So I have x squared minus 6x plus y squared is equivalent to 7. Then, I apply the completing the square. X squared minus 6x. Sinort out ko yung 6, dinivide ko by 2, and squared ko. 6 divide 2 is 3. 3 squared is 9. So, to result of x squared minus 6x plus 9 plus y squared is equivalent to 7 plus 9. Kapag nag-add ka ng 9 sa kabila, dapat mag-add ka rin ng 9 sa kabila. Then, we can factor the perfect square. We have x minus 3, open and close parenthesis, raised to 2, plus y squared is equivalent to 16. Therefore, our center given by h comma k is equivalent to 3 comma 0. And our radius is 4, coming from 16. Therefore, this is our graph. For our problem number 2, identify the center and the radius of the circle. Sketch its graph and indicate the center. We have x squared plus y squared minus 14x plus 2y is equivalent to negative 14. So the first thing I did, pinagsama-sama ko uli ang lahat ng variable ng x in a close parenthesis. Pinagsama-sama ko yung variable ng y in a close parenthesis is equivalent to negative 14. After that, I apply the completing the square. X squared minus 14x. Yung 14, dinivide ko by 2, which is 7. Yung 7, ini-squared ko. So, that's why I have 49. Sa kabila naman, sa variable of y, yung 2 sinort out ko. Dinivide ko by 2, which is 1. Yung 1, ini-squared ko. That is positive 1. Okay, to result of x squared minus 14x plus 49 plus y squared, 2y plus 1 is equivalent to, yung mga inad kong 49 at 1, dapat i-add ko rin sa kabila. To result of negative 14 plus 49 plus 1. Then, we can factor the perfect square. I have x minus 7, open and close parenthesis, raised to 2, plus y plus 1, open and close parenthesis, raised to 2 is equivalent to 36. Therefore, the center is given by 7, negative 1, and the radius of 6. This is the graph of the problem number 2 with the center of 7, negative 1. Last example. So we have 16x squared plus 16y squared plus 96x minus 40y is equivalent to 315. Ang hinahanap pa rin natin, center and radius of the circle. So first, we have to factor out the common coefficient. Pag ginroup na natin sila, ipa-factor natin sila. Okay, so ginawa ko rito, pinagsama ko muna yung variable ng x, the 16x squared plus 96x. Pinagsama ko din yung variable of y, the 16y squared minus 40y is equivalent to 315. After this, nilabas ko yung 16, which is 16, open parenthesis, x squared plus 6x. Sa kabila naman, nilabas ko din yung 16. 16, open parenthesis, y squared minus 5 over 2, y. Bakit 5 over 2? Kapag yung 16, minultiply ko by 5, will result to 80. divided by 2, which is 40. Same pa rin siya ng given na nasa una. Is equivalent to 315. Therefore, saka ko i-apply yung completing the square. So, I have 16, open parenthesis, x squared, plus 6x. Yung 6 is-sort out ko. I-divide ko by 2, then i-squared ko. 6 divide 2 is 3. I-squared ko yung 3 by positive 9. Sa kabila naman, plus 16, open parenthesis, y squared, minus 5 over 2y. Yung 5 over 2, i-divide ko by 2. Will result of 5 over 4. Yung 5 over 4, i-squared ko. I-squared the numerator, i-squared the denominator. So, I have 25 over 16. Then, lahat ng in-add ko sa left side, dapat i-add ko rin sa right side, which is equivalent to 315 plus 16 times 9 plus 16 times 25 over 16. Then, yung total lahat ng constant sa kabila using your calculator will result of 484. Then, yung 16 na nandito sa right side, i-divide ko naman siya to 484 to result with x plus 3, open and close parenthesis, raised to 2 is equivalent to y minus 5 over 4, open and close parenthesis, raised to 2 is equivalent to 121 over 4. Therefore, the center is given by negative 3, positive 5 over 4, and the radius of 11 over 2. And this is the graph of the problem number 3.